Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the rest of the question answers, inside question answers from chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants, class 7 West Bengal Board Life Science. I have given 1 to 33 question answers in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out that video from the playlist or description box. Okay, so let's start. Number 34. How do oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere? The carbon dioxide released by the animals during respiration is used by the plants for photosynthesis, while the oxygen released by the plants during photosynthesis is inhaled by the animals. This maintains the oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere. 35. Why and how is nitrogen used in plants for protein synthesis? Apart from starch, plants can also synthesize other substances as proteins and fats. Proteins are nitrogenous compounds, so plants have to take up nitrogen for protein synthesis. Plants cannot utilize atmospheric nitrogen directly. Certain soil bacteria such as Nitrobacter, Nitrosomonas, and Rhizobium convert this nitrogen to water-soluble forms, nitrates, and release them into the soil, which are taken up by the plants along with water. These fertilizers added to soil also contain nitrogen. 36. Name two seeds from which we can get oil and fats. How do the seeds contain oils and fats? In some plants, the glucose synthesized by photosynthesis is converted into oils and fats and is stored in the plant seeds. This is seen in mustard and sunflower. We can extract the oils from these seeds and use them as food. Number 37. How? Two foods that we get from plants by synthesizing vitamins and minerals, fruits and vegetables. 38. Who is known as the father of India's Green Revolution? What was his contribution in science? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of India's Green Revolution. He did great work with the concept of sustainable development, especially with eco-friendly techniques of agriculture, food availability, and biodiversity conservation. He is known for his contributions to the development of high-yielding varieties of wheat. 39. Who founded the M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan founded the M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation, the pioneer organization behind the Green Revolution. Name the network of tubes that transports water and minerals across the plant body. Xylem. Number 41. Which nutrients is required by the plants for the synthesis of proteins? Nitrogen. Number 42. Which cell organelle contains chlorophyll inside the leaves? Chloroplast. Number 43. Which chemical tests the presence of starch in leaves? Iodine. Number 44. What is the term for the teeny pores or undersurface of the leaves? Stomata. 45. Which are saprotrophic plants, and what do you mean by saprophytic nutrition? The non-green plants which feed on dead or decaying organic remains of plants and animals are called saprotrophic plants, and the type of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. 46. Where are saprophytes seen? Saprophytes are seen in some bacteria and fungi. Example, mushroom is seen growing on cow dung, and rhizobus germinates on stale bread. 47. Where do saprophytes secrete digestive juices? Saprophytes secrete digestive juices onto the rotting matter and convert it into simple soluble substances which can be absorbed by their roots. 48. Who are parasites and what do you mean by parasitic nutrition? The organisms which obtain their food from other living organisms are called parasites, and their mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Number 49. What is host? The organism from which the food is drawn by the parasites is called host. 50. Describe the parasitic nutrition of Cascata. Cascata amable or dodder plant is a plant parasite. It appears as thin golden yellow wire like structure growing on trees and hedges. It has structures called hosterium, which peers into the plant body and help in climbing and absorbing food from the host. 51. Give some examples of parasitic plant. Indian pipe, cascata, coral root, mistletoe. Number 52. Describe the parasitic nutrition of parasitic plant, mistletoe. Mistletoe is a partial parasitic on green leaves of mango and mohua trees. Its green leaves can photosynthesis, but it derives water and minerals from the host plant. Number 53. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis is a special type of partnership among two different types of plants that live together for their sustenance and are mutually benefited. Number 55. 4. What does symbiosis mean? Symbiosis means living together. 55. Describe the nutrition of symbiotic plant lichen. Lichen is an association of two plants of different kinds, one member of algae, an autotroph, and the other is a fungus, a saprophyte. Algae makes food by photosynthesis. This food is consumed by the fungal partner, whereas the fungus supplies water and minerals to the algae partner and also gives support to it by forming a web of hyphae. In the way, both the plant are benefited. 56. What is hyphae? Hyphae is a long thread-like filament that form the body of a fungus. 57. Where are lichens found? Lichens are found growing during the rainy season in a warm atmosphere on logs of wood and walls and as patches of leafy outgrowths. 52. Lichens are whitish, grayish or brownish structures. 59. What are insectivorous plants? Plants which fulfill their nitrogen requirement by trapping and consuming small insects are called insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. 60. Describe the nutrition in pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is an example of insectivorous plants. In pitcher plant, the leaf lamina is modified into pitcher like structure and a leaf tip forms the lid of the pitcher. As soon as an insect lands on the pitcher, it gets entangled into the hairy structures which are directed downwards within the pitcher and the lid closes behind it. Digestive juices are secreted within the pitcher and the insect is digested away. Number 61. Give some examples of insectivorous plants. Pitcher plants, bladderwort, and sundew plants. 62. Fungi are now considered as a connecting link between plant and animal as the sheer characteristics of both plants and animals. Number 63. Difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Number 1. The type of nutrition that takes place in green plants is called autotrophic nutrition. Number 1. The type of nutrition that takes place in the non-green plants and animals is called heterotrophic nutrition. Number 2. Food is synthesized from raw materials by photosynthesis. Number 2. Food is obtained from plants and animal sources. Number 3. Solar energy is required or used. Number 3. Energy is produced in the body. Number 4. It is found in green plants, blue-green algae and autotrophic bacteria. Number 4. It is found in non-green plants, fungi, bacteria and animals. Number 64. What is replenishment? As plants absorb nutrients from the soil, the amount of nutrients therein decreases gradually. Thus, to grow healthy plants, the soil has to be enriched, that is fertilized from time to time. This is called replenishment. Number 65. What do you add to the soil to make up for the deficiency of soil nutrition created by plants? We add manures and fertilizers to the soil to make up for the deficiency of soil nutrients created by the plants. 66. Which nutrients do the plants get from fertilizers? The nutrients provided by fertilizers are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. 67. How do plants obtain nutrients from nature? Some nutrients are obtained directly from the nature. Example, carbon is obtained in the form of carbon dioxide from the air, while hydrogen and oxygen are available in water. 68. True or false? Number 1. Insectivorous plants do not perform photosynthesis. False. Number 2. Lichens represent symbiotic association of algae and fungi. True. Number 3. Mistletoe is a partial parasite. True. Number 4. Mushroom is a fungus having parasitic mode of nutrition. False. Number 5. Cascata consists of Hosteria for absorbing food from the host plants. True. So these are the inside question answers from Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. Class 7, Life Science, West Bengal Board. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.